How to start a business. I'm going to teach you exactly how to start a business as quickly as possible. There's a few things you need that are best practices and a few things that are compliance related. First, best practices, get an LLC. Don't spend any more time reading about sole proprietorships or S corps or Delaware or anything like that. Get in an LLC in your home state, where your business or where you live. That's what you need to do. It's the least expensive way to do it, and it will protect your personal assets and get your business where it needs to be so that it can grow. If you need to do something else in the future, you have every chance to do that outside of the LLC. So don't fret on that anymore, just jump in an LLC. Second thing you'll need to do is get a business bank account for that LLC, because you want to separate the business from your personal life, bank account, everything else. So you're trying to create this separate LLC. So you'll file the LLC, you'll get the bank account, and then you'll need to get a business license. So that is governed by basically the most local form of government of where the business is. So a city, county, and they change from each city and county, even within the states, and obviously between the states. So type in the city. So I'm in Charleston, South Carolina. I would type in Charleston SC Business License Department, and they're going to have a page that tells you exactly what you need to do. You'll call them if you have any questions. One common question would be, I'm running it out of my house, do I still need a business license? Most often the answer is yes, because this is basically that government's way of kind of getting their piece of the pie, so to speak. They're usually not terribly expensive, the fees, so do that for compliance. The last thing we would recommend as another best practice is get a good attorney drafted template or contract, either by an actual attorney or by a very reputable website, not an automated website, but one where you know an attorney actually drafted the agreement, and make sure it is for your industry. A business coach needs something very different than a plumber. A plumber needs something very different than someone who's selling a podcast mic. So make sure it's for your industry, and make sure it's written by an attorney, because it helps you around the corners a little bit better and protects you if something does go haywire. So that's how you start a business. LLC, bank account, business license, contracts. Good luck.